To install a SIM card in S24 Ultra, inside of the box there should be this leaflet here, and this leaflet will have a SIM eject tool. You can also use a pin or paper clip if you don't have this tool. So what we need to do is locate the bottom of the phone, and to the right of the charging port we have the SIM card tray. So you're going to insert the thin end of your SIM ejector tool into the SIM card tray and push down until you feel a little click, and the SIM card tray will be partially ejected. Just pull out the SIM card tray, and if you have an unlocked S24 Ultra, you should see SIM 1 and SIM 2 for dual SIM. If you bought your phone on a carrier, then there will only be one SIM slot. So match the ridge of the SIM card with the ridge in the tray, and then just press it down and it should fit nice and flush. And if you have two SIM cards, repeat the process. To put the SIM card tray back in, match the hole on the phone with the hole in the tray, and then place the SIM card tray back in, wiggle it, and use your finger to make sure everything is nice and flush. Now, if we go to our settings, and we go to the connection settings and SIM manager, you should see your SIM cards and the phone number here, and you have other options you can play with in the SIM manager settings.